this video for my wife's new Cherokee that we bought her. I noticed when I was going through the editing and stuff that I kept saying it's a Compass. It's not a Compass. I've just been saying Jeep Compass so long for my Compass that I guess I just rolled it over. So anyways, but we bought her a 2021 Cherokee. It's the 80th anniversary. You guys will go through and see a bunch of stuff on it here, but I just wanted to clarify that it is a Cherokee. It's not a Compass. So, and the weather here has just been, we've got some snow and ice and stuff. So it's just not real clean at this time, and it's too cold for me to stand outside and shoot videos and stuff like that. So it kind of is what it is. So that's the story with that. If you notice that I keep saying Compass, it is a Cherokee. So now I know before I don't think I've said anything about it, but like the stuff that I can add in my description below, I try to put stuff in there to links that I bought off Amazon and stuff, so you guys can go through and click on those and get those off Amazon. Like my wheels, I did not order those from Amazon, but you can order those off Amazon, and it's just an easy way to click on those and look at them and see if it's something you're interested in or not. So I also am going to try to be working on getting some C&D Garage Toys stickers made. Don't know if you guys are interested in anything like that or not. So it's just something I think I'm going to have one of my wife's friends kind of make. She's pretty good with stickers and stuff, so I'm just going to have some of those made up. So if you guys are interested in those, let me know. I'll probably end up just getting some of them made and maybe giving away, one a month or something like that to somebody that, leaves a comment or something else. So, but anyways, that's the newest thing going on. Hopefully I'll get this video posted today again. So if you guys watched it before, it's the same video. I just wanted to go through and clarify that it was a Cherokee and not a Compass. So hopefully this video is not too long and boring. Let me think. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I'm going to go ahead today also and try to get a video posted on my headlights I put in. So we'll try to get that up also. That way there may be multiple videos coming out today. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's something you guys want to see or something else you guys have questions. I'm usually pretty quick to respond to comments and stuff. So I do have an email too. If you want to leave it, it's been left in one of the comments before, but I mean, if you have something you need to email about or send pictures or something, then you guys can go ahead and send those in. So anyways, that'll be it for now, and hope you guys watch the video, enjoy it. So, all right, thanks guys. Hey guys, Chad here with C&D Garage Toys today. So anyways, as you guys seen in my previous video, we traded the Charger in, and this is what we got. So this is the new wife's daily driver. It's going to be a 2021 Jeep Compass. It is the 80th anniversary edition. That's why it does have the 19-inch, I think they're crystal granite wheels. It does have the trim. This is the pretty much loaded up option. So we do like it. She's driven it quite a bit so far. Got about 600 miles on it. It's the slate blue color. Like I said, crystal granite wheels. Get out here a little ways, get a little better view of it. So we do have some plans to do some stuff to this. So we will, keep you guys updated on that. We did opt for the V6 as opposed to the 2.4. Not that I've had any problems out of the 2.4 in the Compass, but there are some people that have some problems with them. So we just wanted the V6 anyways, because she's going from the 5.7 Hemi and the Charger to this. So we wanted to make sure she had power to drive. You know, she gotta go fast. So anyways, we'll be doing an oil change on it here coming up pretty quick. So we'll go over an oil change with you guys, maybe what's involved with an oil change, stuff like that. Now, if you guys decide to, you know, let me know in the comments what you guys would like to maybe see, you know, added to it or something. Now, you got to keep in mind, this is my wife's Cherokee, so it's her daily driver. We have talked about just a 2-inch lift kit on it. You know, it's relatively cheap and stuff, something that everybody can do. So we've talked about that. I'm trying to think what else. I do have a set of the factory Mopar slush mats that go in there. I've bought some other ones, Husky liners, Max liners, other brands, and I just haven't found anything I'm really satisfied. I've never bought a set of WeatherTechs, so I can't judge WeatherTechs. But I just, you know, have never really been real satisfied with, you know, I mean, a cheaper set of floor mats. So we did opt to go ahead and get the Mopar slush mats for them. So when I get those in, I'll do a quick review on those. Hopefully that'll help somebody decide if they want those. Hers did come with the cheap floor mats. They're the carpeted ones. They do have like an 80th anniversary tag on them. So we'll clean those up, and once we get the slush mats in, that way we can save those for anybody that uses them later on. This does have the full leather seats. They're heated steering wheel. It's got a lot of options that she wanted in a vehicle, so that's why we went with this. Items that our Charger just didn't have. So this one does have the big panoramic sunroof, so that way in the summertime she can pop it open when the weather's nice. So it does have also too the bigger radio in it. Trying to think of anything that's just kind of odd. So come around to the back, and it does have the power lift gate on it. So that's not too bad. We come around the back here. Gosh, got a little bit of junk in here. It does have the button inside. Just push the button, and there it goes. And it seals up. So all right, that's just a short video here of what we bought to replace the Charger. Like I said, we do have some plans for it. We did already get the windows tinted. We had the side windows tinted, and then we had the brow put across the top. We have that done by Tint Unlimited here in Evansville. A couple pretty sharp guys in there, super good, super fast. I mean, for the 2 windows and the brow, I think it took them maybe 15 minutes. So, and we just went back to just like the factory shade. So as it kind of blends in and stuff, it's probably not real hard to see on this, or real hard to see on this overcast day. So, but anyways, that's what we got. Traded in the Charger for the 2021 Compass. So anyways, that'll be it for this video. Like I said, if you guys have anything, any ideas of what we can do with this thing, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I should have links to stuff that I buy on Amazon in the description below. You can click on them, check them out. So hopefully that's kind of a shortcut instead of trying to look something up. But anyways, that's what we got. 2020 Cherokee 4-wheel drive anniversary edition. So anyways, that'll be it for now, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.